Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm here to talk about something that can transform the way you do business, AI automation. Specifically, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 AI automations you can build to save time and boost efficiency in your business. These are actionable, powerful, and can yield tremendous results. Let's dive right in. First on our list is automated customer service and support. This involves using AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries. These tools can instantly resolve up to 80% of routine customer questions, freeing your human agents to focus on more complex issues. Implementing a chatbot can enhance your customer service efficiency while keeping operational costs low. Next up, we have AI-powered email triage and management. If your inbox feels like a nightmare, this automation is for you. By using AI to filter and categorize your emails, you can prioritize messages that need immediate attention and automate responses to common queries. Imagine regaining hours of productivity each week simply by automating your email workflow. Third on our list is invoice processing automation. Managing invoices manually is time-consuming and prone to errors. By adopting AI-driven solutions, you can automate the processing, verification, and recording of invoices, reducing the chance of human error and speeding up your account's payable process. Now let's talk about content generation and social media automation. Keeping your social media active with engaging content is crucial but labor-intensive. AI tools can now create content from text to visuals and schedule posts automatically across platforms. This not only saves you time, but ensures a consistent online presence to engage your audience. Finally, workflow and process automation with no-code platforms makes it to our list. These platforms allow you to automate complex business processes without needing to write a single line of code. You can create workflows that, once set, run automatically. This is especially useful for small businesses aiming to scale efficiently without a hefty IT budget. Source. Building these automations does require initial setup time, but the efficiency gains are well worth the effort. By leveraging these AI solutions, you can significantly streamline operations, reduce costs, and ultimately drive greater productivity across your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and insights. If there are specific automations you're interested in, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.